If you are someone who works with the databases, you know how difficult it can be at times to write SQL queries or just gain insights from the data. Now I'm going to show you a tool which makes it a cakewalk to not just write SQL queries or NoSQL queries, but also to get insights from the data you have. It's very easy to use and it's based on artificial intelligence. So this artificial intelligence tool is called AI Helper Bot, and it has been making waves because it lets you write SQL queries in simple English, in plain English. So that makes the job of a backend developer or a database guy very easy, right? Normally, to work with databases, you need to know SQL or NoSQL. These languages are quite complex and requires good amount of learning. And this bot, which is called AI Helper Bot, can understand and speak this language for you. So you don't need to learn these languages. And like I said, it helps you do two main things: generate SQL and NoSQL queries, and also provides a data insight tool. So this will make your life very easy. So what all I am talking about, I'm going to show you through a demo. I'll also share this simple project with you. It just has some basic schema and also mock data, and this is SQL data. If you want to give it a shot, and play around with some sample SQL data. But what I'm going to demo is with MongoDB database. So you can come to this web page, which is aihelperbot.com. I'll share this link in the description, and then you can sign up here. As you can see, it says free AI SQL query generator. So I've already signed up. You can do that, and then you will be taken to this app page where you can actually add the data and play around with it. So I'm going to go to this data source, and you will see this option add data source. Now here you have the options to connect to different databases. I'm just going to simply manually add some data here. So let's say you are working with the MongoDB, and my database name is sampledb1, for example, and you can see some simple sample schema is given here. I'm just going to use something similar. So I'm just going to say I have a users collection, and the users collection has ID, email, gender, and password. And let's also add another simple schema. Let's call it address. So in this I'm just going to say ID and street name. So these are the two simple collections I have added. When I click on add, it will add it. Now I can go to AI generator and play around with it. So I'll say, can you add sample data to the users collection? That's it. And I'll say generate. So it will give me a query, right? A NoSQL query, which I can use to insert this sample data to my collection, right? So this is cool, right? And then I can also start to write in simple English. Can you give me a user with ID, say ID equal to, or you can just say ID equal to 2, and when I'll click on generate, it will give me the query, right? The query, and this query can be used to get the right data. So as you can see, it makes it very simple to work with databases. You can just write simple queries in like plain English and get your work done. It also has APIs which you can use. So I hope this simple basic introductory tutorial will give you an idea about AI Helper Bot, and going forward you can use it to make your life easier. Thank you.